Hi and welcome to Adells. Today we're slowing down and enjoying the comfort of home while I guide you through a calm manual pump session. If you love peaceful real-life tips, take a moment to like this video and subscribe so you can join me again anytime. Imagine the quiet hum of your home. Maybe a kettle in the kitchen or soft rain tapping at the window. You've found your spot, perhaps on the couch with a warm blanket or in a favorite chair by the window. This is your little sanctuary for the next few minutes. Before we begin, gather what you need: your manual pump, a clean container, and a glass of water or tea nearby. Knowing you have everything ready means you can stay fully present and at ease. Sit so your back feels supported. If you like, place a pillow behind you or under your arm for extra comfort. Take a deep breath in, let it out slowly, and allow your shoulders to relax. Hold the pump gently without tension in your hand. Start with slow, steady squeezes, letting your own rhythm guide the motion. There's no need to rush. A calm, consistent pace works best. If you want, close your eyes for a moment. Feel the softness of your blanket, the warmth in the room, and the steady sound of your breath. Let your thoughts drift like clouds passing by. If your hand begins to feel tired, pause. Stretch your fingers, roll your wrist, or switch sides. This time is for you, and that means comfort first. When you finish, store your milk safely and take a moment to just sit in the quiet. Sip your tea, listen to the soft background sounds of your home, and enjoy the feeling of having cared for yourself. Thanks for sharing this calm moment with me on Adells. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. We'll have many more peaceful moments together.